If you want to know how to crop an image in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to crop the entire image canvas using the crop tool, so you can resize your composition, remove unwanted borders, and frame your subject exactly the way you want. This is a simple but powerful editing skill, and it can make a huge difference in the final look of your design or photo. And if you find this helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Let's start by opening your image in Photopea. Once your project is loaded, look over to the left sidebar toolbar and select the Crop tool. You can also press C on your keyboard to activate it faster. As soon as you choose it, you'll see a crop box appear around your entire canvas. This box comes with adjustable corner and edge handles, which means you can fine-tune exactly what part of the image you want to keep. Now click and drag any of the corner handles inward if you want to remove space from the edges. You can also drag the side handles to crop just one section at a time. As you adjust the box, everything outside the crop area is basically being marked for removal, so take your time and make sure the framing looks right before confirming the crop. This is especially useful if you have extra blank space around the subject, or if you want a tighter composition for social media, thumbnails, or profile images. If you need your image to fit a specific dimension, Photopea makes that easy too. Look at the top options bar and find the free drop-down menu. From there, you can choose a fixed aspect ratio like 1:1 for a square image or 16:9 for a widescreen format. This is super helpful when you need consistent sizing for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or website banners. Once you pick the ratio, the crop box will lock into that shape, making it much easier to keep the right proportions while you adjust the image. After you're happy with the crop area, all you need to do is press Enter on your keyboard or click the checkmark icon in the top options bar to apply the crop. Photopea will immediately trim away everything outside the crop box and update your canvas to the new size. And just like that, you've cropped your image in Photopea. If you want more Photopea tips, tutorials, and beginner-friendly editing guides, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.